A small star fell into the ocean. The water began to sparkle. A lonely snowflake searched for a friend. Winter smiled gently. A curious cat followed a butterfly. Adventure waited quietly. A shy rainbow hid behind the clouds. Rain helped it shine. A little boat felt scared of waves. The sea carried it safely. A sleepy owl opened one eye. The night whispered secrets. A tiny seed dreamed underground. Spring was coming. A friendly cloud shaped like a heart passed by. Someone smiled below. A shy frog practiced jumping. Soon it reached the river. A lost hat rolled down the hill. The wind laughed. A gentle whale sang softly. The ocean listened. A paper airplane flew too far. It loved the sky. A quiet hill watched the sunset. Colors danced slowly. A small firefly lit the path. Darkness felt safe. Every little moment tells a story, just like this one.
For more fun and discoveries, don't forget to follow the channel, subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon.